everyone, it's your girl DIZHA. Welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today we'll be looking at different kind of sleeve. But the one we're going to cut is that of number 4 showing on the screen. So now I'm going to use this 1.5 yards of chiffon fabric to cut it out. So folding this into 4, this is into 2. As you are seeing this sleeve, the cutting is a flare cutting. Is either you cut it once, the two sleeve, is either you cut the two sleeve once, or you cut it one after the other. So now I'm going to cut it, but I'm cutting it once. So this is into 2, the folding is into 2, then into 4, like this, into 4. You can see it. Then after into 4, then you fold it like this into 8. This is like a triangle. Then you do it like this. So now you're going to measure the length of the sleeve. If you like, you can make it short, you can make it long. So but seeing it like that on the screen is 3/4. So the 3/4 length here, I'm using 26 for the length. So I'm going to use my tape rule to measure it now. So I'm using 28. For the seam allowance, I'm using 2 inches of seam allowance because I said the length of the sleeve is 26. So the seam allowance of 2 inches, I'm using 28. I'm going to cut it out. So now this is it. Then I'm going to cut it out here, the area that is going to show, that is going to be at the shoulder. So you can either use this like this for the shoulder shape. You can either use it like this, or you can decide to cut it like this. It depends on how you want it. Let me cut it out for you to see what I'm saying. This particular one is for shoulder, for the back 14. You can see it with the allowance. So back 14, or you can use it like this if you want. This is 13. So you can join this to the shoulder like this, or like this. It's of 2 ways. It depends on how. It's of 2 ways. It depends on how you want it to be. So if I'm cutting it out like this, that means you're going to join it like this to the shoulder. So let me cut out the down part. So I'm using this to cut out the one that we're going to tape the flare. So now if you look at the shape here, I'm using 3 inches, and here I'm using 6 inches. 6 inches there. So the waist length from 6 inches to 3 inches, like this. Then I'll cut it out. Like this. Then you're going to reduce the down here, the down part here, with 1 inch. You want it to form exactly like that. Then you slant it in. Like this. When you open it, you see what I'm talking about. So this, you're going to pick one of these. You're going to use this part to make a pleat. When you open this, make sure you double this particular area so that it will be thick and it's going to stand very well. So you're going to make use of here, and this is the down part. So this is the this upper part is the one you're going to. So you're going to use this particular side to make a pleat around this side. So when you start from here, when you start the pleat from here, when you get to this angle, you stop. Before the angle, you stop like 1 inch. Then you stop. Then you make the angle. Then you cross the angle. After that, you stop like 1 inches here too. Then you start the pleating as well to the other edge here. Then you fold this into 2 like this. Then you make the shape of the sleeve. So this is the end of today's tutorial. Watch out for the cutting of the remaining sleeves. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.